Hello, welcome to Guinevere's Mocktails. Today we will be making the Watchtower. The Watchtower has 3/4 ounces of passion fruit puree, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of orange juice, 3/4 ounces of cream of coconut, 1/2 ounce of vanilla syrup, 1/2 ounce of mint syrup, and a dash of nutmeg. Alright, let's get started. To start, we have to fill this up with ice. You don't want to I like chewy ice the best for this. And you don't want to put your spoon, if you're using a spoon, back in the ice bucket. Because then it's going to get frozen and then the ice is going to stick to it. And then it's going to be really hard to scoop out ice. There you go. That should be enough. Okay, we start with the 3/4 ounces of passion fruit. We start with the 2 ounces. Then we go to the 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Then we do our 1 ounce of orange juice. And then we have 3/4 ounces of cream of coconut. If you do it into one of those little measuring cups, it will stick into it. So just guesstimate. 1/2 ounce of vanilla syrup. 1/2 ounce of mint syrup. And a dash of nutmeg. Then you put on the lid and you shake it in circles so everything gets mixed in. Alright, that should be good. Then you grab your glass and you fill that up with ice. That should be good. And then you pour your drink into your glass like so. And then grab your straw and then you taste it. Ah, delicious. That is how you make the Watchtower, and see you next time on Guinevere's Mocktails. Bye!
Hey, where's Perry? He's right back there.
He's right here.
He's been there the whole time.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
2.
Oh yeah, we did. Boo. Ooh.